Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. We are back with our English revision. So, are you ready? Let's start. This is the index what we are going to revise. First, we will start with the concept of this and that. When we will use this, the object which is nearby to you and it is one, not more than one. So we will use this, and when we will use that we will use for object which is far away from you and one only. For many object we will not use this and that. We will learn that afterwards. Right now we are learning for the concept of this and that. So simple, you have to remember when their object is nearby to you, you will use this whom you can touch, and the object which is far away from you, you will use that. Shall we start doing exercise? Yes, this is a cat and that is a tent. Can you see the difference? The cat is nearby and the tent is far away. So some objects are given. You have to make sentence using this or that. Let's start. This is a ball because ball is nearby. That is a bed because bed is far away. This is a bib. That is a wing. This is a cap. That is a bell. Now again we will complete this exercise. You have to only write the name of the object. The object which are far away from you, you will use that. That is a pram. It is pink. That is a man. He is fat. That is a well. It is far. That is a van. It is red. That is a whip. It is big. So try to search some object which is nearby you and how you will frame sentence. Now we'll learn about all world family. See the picture and we will revise the words. B all ball, c all call, all fall, h all hall, t all tall, and w all wall. Read and match. A tall wall, a ball in a hall. Now we'll move to silver family. B il bill, il fill, h il hill, h il spills because we have used many pills. That's why we have written S. Pills. Drill, dr, il drill because it is blending. Dr words. Remember? And fr, il frill. We have learned this word when we learn about blending fr. Read the sentences and name the picture. Give me a bill. You have to write the word for given picture. See the hill. Begin with sight words. As you all know, we decode sight words with the letter name and not letter sound. So we'll start reading. Y-O-U-R, your. C-O-M-E, come. S-O-M-E, some. S-A-I-D, said. And W-A-S, was. Now we'll frame sentence using the sentence. Your bag is red. We have used sight word your. Give me some sweets. We have used sight word some. You can make other sentences using rest of the sight words. Now we'll learn digraph her words. It's not blending but it's digraph. Digraph is when two consonants come together to give different sound, and we cannot identify which two letter used for the sound. But when we talk about blending, we can identify both the letter with the sound, like dr. You can identify it is D and R. When I say cl, you can identify it's C and L. But when I say th, it is not possible for us to make out which two letters are there. So these kind of words, we call them digraph. So today we are going to learn some words with digraph th. Th has two different sounds, th and the. The, when we use this, that, this, those, and here we are going to use the sound th. Thick, thin, thirsty, 30, and thumb. So we will underline the digraph th and we will read it again. Thick, thin, thirsty, 30, and thumb. And we will frame one sentence. I am very thirsty. Now we will start with next I vowel word, this ip word family. The sound of letter I is E and P is th. So together we will call it ip word family. Now see the picture and read the word. The ip dip, ip hip, l ip lips. We will use S while saying lip. We will not say lip. S ip sip, ch ip tip, and z ip zip. Read the sentence and name the picture. Here we have to write the word for the given picture. Dip the tip of the chip and get the red zip. Now we will learn how to draw picture related to the ip word. Ja ip dip, cha ip tip, and rest of the word we will write. Ha ip hip, l ip slips, s ip sip, and z ip zip. Now we'll frame one sentence. Dip the tip of the chip. We'll learn about opposite words in and out. When the object is inside the tub, here we have shown one tub and the object, the ball, is inside the tub. In the second picture you can see the ball is outside the tub. So this is the concept of in and out. Remember the spelling also. I-N, in, O-U-T, out, in and out. Here we will learn blur words. Again this is blending, blur. You can see the letter B and L. Together we will call it blur. So blur egg black, blur of block, blue, blow and blast. One more time we will read black, block, blue, blow and blast. Please practice well reading these words at home. And now we will frame sentence using some of the words. This is a black block. I have blue pen. Next, learn next I vowel word. It is it word family. I, T together, we will pronounce it as Itward family. See the picture and try to read by yourself. The it bit, it fit, it hit, it lit, it pit, and sit. Read the sentence and name the picture. Here we will write the word for given picture. Do not hit the ball. This is a deep pit. How to draw it family words. We will draw kit, it, kit. It, pit. Now rest of the words we will write. Learn the spellings. It bit, it fit, it hit, and it sit. Do not hit the ball. Now we'll learn Ick word family. The sound of letter I is E, C is K, and K is again K. But here we will not pronounce C and K for the two times. We will just say Ick word family. See the picture? The ick, kick, kick, ick, lick, lick a lollipop. Remember the Jollyphonic song? We lick a lollipop, right? So, lick. Then, ick, pick, ick, sick, ick, tick. Again, blending sound. Br, ick, brick. We have already done this blending sound, remember? So I hope you all have read all this word very nicely. So whenever you see these kind of a words, immediately you should click. अरे हाँ ये तो ऐसे पढ़ते हैं. Br, ick, brick. Okay? Read the sentence and name the picture. Sam is. See the picture, which word we will write? Sick. And kick the ball. Now we'll learn ing word family. ING, ing word family. Now see the picture and try to decode the first consonant. Ing king. R, ing ring, s, ing sing, st, ing sting, sw, ing swing, and w, ing wing. Here two blending sounds are there. Yes, st and sw, which we have already done. Read the sentence and name the picture. I will give you a ring. A king sat on a swing. We are not going to write this word in notebook. So do practice reading in workbook. All the best and take care. Thank you so much.